Good morning, students. After discussing stem, leaf, and root part, now we will discuss about very interesting part, and that is flower. It is most beautiful part of a plant. Students, flower is something that make a plant beautiful. But at the same time, flower plays a crucial role in the life cycle of a plant because it is also known as reproductive organ of a plant. Flowers are of different shapes, different size, different colors, and different fragrance. As you can see, we have so many varieties of the flowers in the world. Even most of the flowers are changed or converted into fruits. So let's understand the structure of this flower. In the given picture, you can see a beautiful flower. Most prominent part in this flower is this colored structure, which is called petals. These petals could be of various colors and various varieties in various plants. Next important part is this. It is called sepals. As you can see, the leaf-like structure present outside of the petals. यहाँ पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ आपको ये देखने को मिलेगी, जब भी कोई फ्लावर बर्ड्स यानी कि कली के रूप में होता है तो ये पेटल्स इन्हीं सेपल से कवर होते हैं. Now this rod like structure you can see which is holding the entire flower, and it is called the stalk of a flower or thalamus. Then comes those parts of the flower which actually help in the process of reproduction, and इन्हीं parts की वजह से हम flowers को reproductive organs कहते हैं. So here you can see a swollen structure at the bottom and thin from the top, and it is called carpel or pistil. These are two different names by which this female reproductive part of a flower is known. Similarly, you can see thin hair-like structure. Okay, here you can see in the given picture, this is thin hair-like structure which is swollen with the bulb-like structure at the top, and these are male reproductive organ of the flower and they are called stamen. तो ये सब हैं फ्लावर के इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट्स, जिसमें स्टैमेन मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है एंड कार्पेल फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट है. In next video we will see the function of these parts.